Could Samsung be making a big mistake with the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition? After months of excitement surrounding the Galaxy S25 series, there's a chance the final model in the lineup, the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition, might not be what everyone was expecting. Instead of wrapping up the series with a powerful upgrade, Samsung could disappoint its fans, especially those hoping for an enhanced high-performance Fan Edition phone. To understand why this could be the case, let's take a look at Samsung's track record with the Fan Edition phones. If you think back to the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, it came with the Snapdragon 865 processor. Then the S21 Fan Edition was powered by the Snapdragon 888. Both of these devices packed a punch in terms of performance, giving users a flagship experience without the flagship price tag. It's been a formula that worked well in the past, and fans have been hoping Samsung would continue that trend with the S25 FE. However, recent reports suggest that this time around, Samsung might not be offering the performance boost many fans were hoping for. Instead of upgrading to a more powerful chip, the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition could come with the same Exynos 2400 processor found in last year's Galaxy S24 FE. Yes, you heard that right, this would be the same processor, not something new and improved. This news has left many scratching their heads. It's 2025, and expectations are high for new devices. People want something fresh and powerful, not a repeat of what's already been done. Many were hoping for the Exynos 2500 or even the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, but it seems that these chips may not be ready in time for the S25 FE launch. Whether it's because the Exynos 2500 isn't fully developed, or because Samsung is facing delays, it looks like the Exynos 2400 could be making an unwelcome return. If this turns out to be true, it put the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition in a tough spot. Phones from other brands, like the OnePlus 13R, are already pushing stronger performance and newer features, so sticking with an older chip could make the S25 FE feel outdated in comparison. If Samsung doesn't step up the performance, it could risk losing customers who were expecting more for their money. But there's still hope. Nothing is set in stone yet, and Samsung hasn't officially confirmed the processor for the S25 FE. It's possible that early reports could be off the mark, and Samsung might surprise everyone with a more powerful chip before the phone is released. Even if the processor doesn't get a major upgrade, there could still be other features that make the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition worth considering. One change that's being discussed is a thinner design. The Galaxy S24 FE was already 8mm thick, but rumors suggest that the S25 FE could be even slimmer. This would align with Samsung's design direction for the upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge, which is expected to be the company's thinnest phone yet. A thinner phone would not only look more modern, but could also make it more comfortable to hold and easier to carry around. Another area where Samsung could improve the S25 FE is the camera. The S24 FE came with a solid 50-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel telephoto lens, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. While this setup worked well, there's always room for improvement, especially when it comes to things like image processing and low-light performance. A jump to a 200-megapixel camera might be unlikely for the Fan Edition, but small updates could still make a noticeable difference in real-world use for casual photographers. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Are you still looking forward to the S25 FE, or are you considering other options? And if you want more updates on Samsung's latest phones and other tech news, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.